So I needed this part to be installed on this breadboard, except this part, I took it out of an old telephone and it was fixed into the casing with wires soldered on. There's no proper pins, so I soldered my own pins, but sure don't cooperate. It makes for a wobbly design, so that's where 3D printing comes in. This little icky, I drew that in about, I don't know, half hour by the time taking the measurements, making sure it's gonna fit, giving some allowance for extra room, and let's see what happens. So this is the fit into the part. It fits nicely, no spaces, and it's not a wobbly gadget anymore. Got to be careful with the pins, but at least the part itself is really stable.